Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 GMC Yukon SLT. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. I'll look down the passenger side now. You have alloy wheels, running boards on the side, inside leather interior, second row bucket and third row bench seats. Your second row seats are heated seats, and you do have a sunroof up top. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Power assist lift gate, so simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio and Bluetooth mounted here to the heated steering wheel. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, as well as dual heated and cooled seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Yukon on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.